Hey, party people, I'm just trying to go to these little parks around me. Just like Shawnee Park near me when COVID hit. These little parks like this ain't surviving. This is Smith Trek Park in Harrison, Ohio. This was a nice little park apparently at one time. They got all these parks going now. Well, actually, it's better now for the wildlife because it's actually an actual park. But I wanted to show you. Oh yeah, can't have anything without a blue sky flyer. But notice my skies changed, people. Got the blue sky flyer, and that's why. I got some clouds over in there. I got Chemtrack right there, chemtrail. Got some more clouds over here. Those look normal, kind of. Oh, another sky flyer, people. We're tearing them up this afternoon. Check that out, another one. This one I think is the Megalodon sky flyer. You can see him. He is traipsing, dude. Look how much he's got.